Communication between two devices. It can be simplex, half duplex or full duplex. Communication mode is simplex, half duplex, full duplex. In simplex, here I have written in very small language. Simplex means keypad, okay, keyboard, mouse, monitor. In simplex device, keyboard, mouse and monitor. In half duplex method, I have written here walkie talkie, and full duplex method means telephone. So the communication between two devices can be simplex, half duplex or full duplex. Okay, so the example of simplex is keyboard, mouse and monitor, and the example of half duplex should be walkie talkie, and the example of full duplex is telephonic system or telephonic device. Then this is the diagram here. From this diagram I can explain you the transmission medium. Here in simplex system, a mainframe to a monitor is connected, and it is nothing but a one side communication, single way communication, that is direction of data. So in half duplex system, both the device is connected, both the computer is connected with each other, and at a time we can transmit or we can receive, we can do any type of operation at a time. In a single operation we can perform both the operation, we can't perform at a time. Means if you want to transmit the data from point 1 to point 2, then only you can transmit. After the some time period you can receive the data from computer 2 to computer 1 or network 2 to network 1, but at a time you can't transmit or receive the data here. In full duplex system we can transmit and receive the data at a time. So direction of data all the time, direction should be two-way communication. Okay, so here in simplex system we can transmit the message at a time, but we are not confirm that the message was transmitted in a proper place or not. But in half duplex system, walkie talkie is the best example of half duplex system. Here the same device we are using to talk and to listen. So while we talk, we can't listen what the other person is saying, but while we listen we can't talk what you have to answer the problems or answer the conversation, or we can't carry the conversation, we only listen. Okay, but in full duplex system, at a time you can speak and you can listen, so both the operation perform at a time, so that is called as full duplex system. So here simplex. In simplex mode, the communication is unidirectional as one way direction. Here this one is only one way direction. Okay, only one of the two device on a link can transmit, the other can only receive. One receives, another yet transmit, and this one is receiving. This one never be transmit the data to mainframe. So this is nothing but simplex device. So keyboard and traditional monitor are example of simplex device. The keyboard can only introduce input, the monitor can only accept data. मीन्स कीबोर्ड ओनली एक्सेप्ट, मतलब खाली वो भेज सकता है, मॉनिटर ओनली रिसीव कर सकता है, मॉनिटर कभी भी डेटा हमें भेजता नहीं है. द सिंप्लेक्स मोड कैन यूज द एंटायर कैपेसिटी ऑफ द चैनल टू सेंड डेटा इन वन डायरेक्शन. इट ओनली ट्रांसमिट द डेटा इन ए सिंगल डायरेक्शन. Then what is half duplex system? In half duplex system or mode, each station can both transmit and receive, but not at the same time. When one device is sending, the other can only receive and vice versa. When we transmit the data or send the data, we can receive also. The half duplex mode is like a one lane road with traffic allowed in both the direction. In both the direction traffic allowed, but ट्रैफिक जो ट्रैफिक पुलिस है, ट्रैफिक मैन, ही विल कंट्रोल द ट्रैफिक. जैसे ट्रैफिक पुलिस क्या करते हैं, चार चौकड़ी में खड़े होते, एक को जाने देते, बाकी को रोक के रखते, ठीक वैसे ही यहाँ होता है. व्हेन कार आर ट्रैवलिंग इन वन डायरेक्शन, कार गोइंग द अदर वे मस्ट वेट. एक तरफ के कार जा रहा है तो दूसरे तरफ के कार को वेट करना ही पड़ेगा. इन ए हाफ डुप्लेक्स ट्रांसमिशन, द एंटायर कैपेसिटी ऑफ ए चैनल इज टेकन ओवर बाय विच एवर of the two device is transmitting at that time or at the same time. Walkie-talkie and CB means citizens band radios are both half duplex system. In half duplex system, we can communicate, we can receive, but after the process one at a time, only one process can be done. Then full duplex system. In full duplex mode, this is also called as duplex. Both station can transmit and receive simultaneously. We can transmit and receive. जैसे हम बात करने के समय हम सुन भी सकते हैं और हम रिप्लाई भी दे सकते हैं. सेम थिंग, दैट इज नथिंग बट योर टेलीफोन और मोबाइल कम्युनिकेशन या टेलीफोन कम्युनिकेशन. दिस इज a full duplex system. The full duplex mode is like two-way street with traffic flowing in both directions at the same time. At the same time, on the both the side, the traffic is flowing. Okay, in full duplex mode, signal going in one direction share the capacity in the other link with signal going in the other. Sharing can occur in two way. Either the link must contain two physical separate path, one for sending and the other for receiving of the capacity of the divide between signal traveling in both the direction. Here the difference between half duplex and full duplex. The half duplex mode is used in case where there is no need of communication in both the direction at that time. अगर एक ही टाइम के अंदर हमें दोनों वे से कम्युनिकेशन ट्रांसमिट रिसीव नहीं करना है तो हम हाफ डुप्लेक्स सिस्टम को यूज़ कर सकते हैं. द एंटायर कैपेसिटी ऑफ द चैनल कैन बी यूटिलाइज फॉर ईच डायरेक्शन. This one-way communication or one common example of full duplex communication is the telephone network when two people are communicating by a telephone line. Both can talk, both can listen at a same time. So it is the best example of full duplex system. The full duplex mode is used when communication in both the direction is required all the time. The capacity of the channel, however, must be divided between the two directions. It must be divided into two directions.